viewers, welcome back to our channel HT Subject Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about International Mine Awareness Day, which is celebrated on 4th of April every year. On 8 December 2005, the General Assembly declared that 4th April of each year shall be observed as the International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. The United Nations Mine Action Service (UNMAS) co-organized a reception in partnership with the Canadian and British embassies to Libya to celebrate the International Day of Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. Under the theme, United Nations promotes SDGs, Safe Ground, Safe Home. The event has hosted at the Canadian Embassy in Tunis and gathered more than 90 Libyan and international mine action partners, including the Libyan Mine Action Center (LIBMAC), members of the diplomatic community, UN agencies, and civil society organizations. Members of Libyan civil society organizations and international non-governmental organizations shared examples of program activities and achievements that demonstrate how mine action is critical in enabling stability, economic recovery and development, reducing violence and sustaining peace, and is essential in accelerating progress towards the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Mine Action opens pathway for members of local communities to take a central role in assisting their communities in building a better future. In Tripoli, the LibMac hosted a reception on 4th April with the support and participation of UNMAS. More than 110 guests from Libyan ministries and authorities, implementing partners and representatives from the diplomatic community attended. The participants shared information on operational activities, achievements, and lessons learned. For a year after a conflict has ended, mines, explosive hazards, including improvised explosive devices, continue to cause harm, instill fear, and stop internally displaced people and refugees from returning to their homes, while survivors are often condemned to a life of poverty because of their injuries and the lack of rehabilitation services. UNMAS reaffirmed its strong commitment to support Libyan authorities, communities, and mine action partners in addressing the threats of explosive hazards. The path towards achieving the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development must be clear of landmines, explosive remnants of war, and improvised explosive devices. All people have the right to live in security and not fear their next step. Mine action clears paths and creates safe ground on which homes can be built or rebuilt. Mine action changes mindsets so that people know how to protect themselves. It gives people and communities new horizons and hope, says Antonio Guterres, UN Secretary General. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below for more videos. Thank you.